In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list using Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to analyze your audience data or need to back it up, exporting lists efficiently is crucial for effective email marketing. So let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First things first, you'll need to head over to Klaviyo and log into your account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You're going to want to click on Audience, which will be your gateway to accessing your contacts and segments. After clicking Audience, you'll see an option for Lists and Segments. Select that, and now you're in the hub of all your audience data. The next step is to click on the specific list that you intend to export. You might have several lists, so make sure you choose the right one for the task at hand. Once you've selected your list, you'll find yourself looking at its details and settings. In the upper right corner, there's a drop-down menu labeled Manage List. Give that a click. This is where you'll find various settings and options for handling your audience data. One of the options in this menu is Export List to CSV. CSV files are a versatile format that you can open with most spreadsheet programs, making this an ideal choice for data exportation. Upon clicking Export List to CSV, a pop-up window will appear. Here's where you can customize exactly what data fields you want to include in your export file. Options typically include emails, names, phone numbers, locations, and various other data points. Tailor this selection to suit your current needs. Maybe you only need email addresses, or perhaps you'd like a comprehensive download with all available details. Whatever works best for your analysis or records. Once you have made your selections, you can click on Start Export. This action will prompt Klaviyo to generate the file, preparing it for download. While this process is running, you might want to grab a quick coffee. It usually doesn't take long, but a little break never hurts. After the export is complete, a download link will become available in the export section of your account. Keep an eye on your email as well. Klaviyo will send you a convenient link to download the CSV file directly from your inbox. This dual option ensures you won't miss the delivery of your exported list. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a list from Klaviyo. Remember, having your data organized and accessible in CSV form can make a world of difference for subsequent analysis or future marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out or leave a comment if you have any further questions. Happy exporting!